Dis is quite unbelievable. My pipu, things don dey fall apart o. Things don dey happen for dis Nnedi Nwoko and Regina Daniel matter. Like Reji, what is happening? I thought Nnedi Nwoko said you are a virgin when he married you. Wetin come dey happen now? Hey! Anyway guys, let me welcome you before we proceed. You're welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time. My prayers for you is that God no go shame you. God go protect you. God go preserve you. So wetin you put hands to do go prosper. So my correct people wetin we don dey hear now be say Roji issue with Nnedi Nwoko don escalate to the level of DNA test of Regina Daniel's children. We know that when Regina Daniel saw Chika Ike's baby bump, she started making trouble saying that, Nnedi Nwoko, you went and married this woman, you got her pregnant, this and that, this. And when Nnedi denied that he did not get Regina pregnant, that he did not get Chika Ike pregnant, Regina insisted that he got Chika Ike pregnant and he was even planning to marry Chika Ike. And you all know that a lot of news was carried out that these two, that they did court marriage, secret wedding at the court. I don't know how true it is. I don't know. But when Regina Daniel left the house saying that she's not coming back again, she deleted her husband pictures, photos and everything, saying that she know they come back, that this man have been fooling her. And not only that, Nnedi Nwoko got Chika Ike pregnant, that Nnedi Nwoko also bought properties for Chika Ike without buying for her, that is wife. My people, okay, Regina Daniel say, they come back again for that house. Nnedi was like, this girl, you are just being dramatic. Small time, you will come back. I know you are going to come back. But when Nnedi saw that the thing is no longer maybe childish play, after Regina Daniel showed us her house in Banana Island, that is when they said that Nnedi went and started begging Regina that she should come back. And not only that, Nnedi and Laila, they started having soko over the fact that Laila is not as smart and intelligent as Regina. You know that it is Regina that have been going out with Nnedi Nwoko mainly. It is Regina. And Regina is so smart and so, wherever she goes, she make friends. People help her. In short, that girl, she don't bring goodness to Nnedi Nwoko. And Nnedi Nwoko knows that, and that is why he's missing her. So, but when she said that she's not coming back, that Nnedi is fooling her. Why would Nnedi get Chika Ike pregnant and still buy properties for her? But Nnedi said, no, I did not get her pregnant. She's not my... as people started rumoring that Chika Ike is going to be his seventh wife, and Nnedi said that he's not going to marry Chika Ike, that he did not get her pregnant. So Regina Daniel was like, okay, since you said this, don't worry. You're going to do DNA test. After doing DNA test and the results come out to be negative, that is only when I'm going to believe you and come back to you. And people, Chika Ike on her own, enjoying herself. She don't even care whether Regina is in her marriage or not. She don't even care whether Regina demanded for DNA test, because Chika Ike too self did not accept to do that DNA test. So, but when this whole issue started lingering and Nnedi Nwoko started looking for ways to bring out fault, just to blame Regina for leaving him. So Nnedi now brought out the fact that Regina too need to do DNA test on her children. And we know that the second son of Regina, according to what we heard, eh, that he did not look exactly like Ned Nwoko. Allegedly, people don't dey carry that rumor too. And I was like, uh-uh, these two, they resemble for my own eye. Oh. Even though the first son resemble very, very well. But they resemble. I don't know. Okay, when Ned Nwoko insisted that Regina will go and do DNA test for her children, these her two boys. Since she too insisted on Chika Ike doing DNA test, that she might have something secret and fishy. That is why she was talking about DNA test. That she too must go and do DNA test. People started asking Nedumoko questions. Why are you saying that this girl should go and do DNA test? Were you not the one that told us that you married Regina, a virgin, that she's a very before you marry her? And were you not the one that told us that this girl is special? The way you praise Regina, she never knew any man. Now you be the first person where she know. So why are you now trying to be dramatic? It's no longer Regina that is being dramatic this time. You are the one. So why would you compare or force her to go and do DNA test? Okay, is it as like are you trying to tell us that you lied then just to make us believe that you love this girl? Now you're still showing us that you don't love her. So why are you telling her to go and do DNA test? So my people, when this DNA test issue started arising, Regina Daniel was shocked because she too, she told us that she be virgin, even though she still told us that she gets how many boyfriends. I have how many boyfriends then? That is what she said. Of which we know one of them, that her fair boyfriend, Samadna. Samadna that was crying and had been crying that Ned they went and snatched her girl from him. You see? So people are asking Ned, you are becoming too dramatic. What are you trying to tell us? That same veggie is no longer veggie. And I don't know, guys. These people should know what they are doing, because we are not fools here. For the fact that we are online in-laws doesn't mean that we are fools. Why would you ask her to go and do DNA test? So my people, according to what we heard allegedly, Regina Daniels accepted to go and do DNA test. But on one condition, she accepted to do the DNA test until she sees Chika Ike's DNA test result, of which Ned Nwoko wouldn't let Chika Ike to go and do DNA test. Even Chika Ike did not accept to do DNA test. But when all of this thing was happening, I was like, what if at last, Regina do DNA test and the result to come out to be true that the two boys belong to Ned? What is Ned going to tell the world? Because Ned have already made us to believe that Regina Daniel is a virgin. And telling her to go and do DNA test now is another aspect of a problem that he wants to create for himself. Do you know that it's even possible that Regina Daniel would do the DNA test? When she comes back, the result will become positive that it is Ned. And if she had been thinking about coming back to Ned, she will just decide not to come back again because there is no atom of trust. Ned did not trust her. Yes, because of what? She asked his side chick to go and do DNA test. Of course, it was Ned that told us that Chika Ike is not his seventh wife, that Chika Ike is his side chick. So why would you have 6 wives and you are still doing side chick things? And you are telling Regina that she should go and do DNA test. Anyway, guys, according to what we heard, Regina have accepted to do the DNA test, but the result is not yet out. But the thing broke her heart to believe that she never believed that Ned, her husband, could tell her to do DNA test, even in this uh, condition. He said he married her a virgin. And then Regina know that she be virgin when Ned marry her. I be not, because this one when they come they confuse us this time. Ned said that he married Regina a virgin. Now telling us that Regina should go and do DNA test, this and that. I don't know. So guys, please don't forget that all of these are all alleged, because me, I'm not living with them. I don't know when he said that. It was what we heard that we're sharing with you. So guys, thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. My God will bless you. And please give my play a thumbs up. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.